feel this one. Feel the burn, Boone. Is that how it goes? Probably thinking, lady, get off my back. You need to walk out here in the snow. Probably what he said. No, we can't go that way. You fall down that hill. We can't do that. Good boy, Boone man. Yeah, good boy. You're fine.
We've been in and out of love and in between, and now we play the final showdown scene. And as the credits roll, a sad song starts to play. And this is where the cowboy rides away, and my heart is sinking like a setting sun.
At this rate, there's only one way to get ready for our show.
Setting on the
It's the snow.
things I
Don't bite
wish
me.
I'd
Please
done.
don't bite me. I'm gonna kick you in the nose. Thank you.
Oh, the last goodbye's the hardest one to say.
You're outside. There you go.
Where the cowboy rides away. Oh, the last goodbye's the hardest
Get him cantering.
one to
Canter!
say.
Canter! There you go. Good job, girl.
Protecting my chip. All of a sudden,
Nice
I heard
job.
somebody rumble in the bushes. Stop my horse, whoa, lady. Who in the bushes? You better speak out, or I'ma let my shotgun song sing out.
What's this? Hope this ain't the law. Draw out the bushes with my sawed-off shotgun.
Come on out, right now I'm getting angry. Take a step back, cause it could get dangerous.
Please don't shoot us just to meet the queen horse
Then
killer.
why the hell is you hiding in them bushes?
I'm wanted in 4 counties for armed robbery. Killed 2 sheriffs, 6 of his best men with my head. Stole 2 horses. Thought you was the law, that's why I jumped in the bushes.
Goodness, now she was hotter than the barrel of fire, but I could use her for the job, so I told her to ride. Come on.
May I ask you what you headed to the west for?
I got a partner, got a plan for some dough. And if you're down, you can pick up yourself a pretty penny. Be in town in a minute. Now be sure if you're ready.
We out before the sunrise, got a style here for your partner to ride. Hit the saloon for the moonshine, down for whatever, let's ride, let's ride.
These directions say we go to Tucson, Arizona. When we arrive, we cop a place we can bump and meet my boy in the morning for details and hook up. You better count your money. 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 Rise and shine. Good morning, Holly. 9 o'clock, we meet my boy in the saloon in the valley. Now I done came a long way and I don't wanna be late.
Talk about making tokens, you know we ain't.
Move up, giddy up, giddy up, giddy up, move up, giddy up, giddy up, giddy up, move up, giddy up, giddy up, giddy up, move up, giddy up, giddy up. You better count your money. You better count your money.
I'm peeping crazy's wanted poster in the saloon, so I assume it'll be trouble around here pretty soon. Glass across the room, I see this youngster getting ready to buy. But if he mess up tonight, I think the crazy just might take his life. So I approach him and I pause. Look, man, I really don't want the bra, but won't you chill before them laws come messing up this master plan? Since he already rowdy, I just asked him, man, hey, you want some work for partner, put in your bid. And by the way, now what's your name? They call me Lazy the Kid. Your name's Powder P, can I get a 12 gauge outlaw every day?
Wisconsin whole vendors be like.
Mr. Kid, if you give me the lowdown, me and Blackjack, you ready for the show?
I think this is what our first show.
Double barrels pointed at whatever. We'll stick together. I'm pretty clever. So saddle up, jump on the
Give her!
back. Because
Just
it's all
kidding.
going down. I heard a cavern in the bar screaming crazy.
Boom.
Now when we get to
You
the
are
saloon, you
freaking
don't worry, wait outside. Don't be stealing nobody's damn horse. Step inside the bar, lady kids, you son of a gun.
Hey man, I'm glad you made it safely. Now let's go have some fun. And this my partner, Powder.
Canter.
He's a young gun. Howdy.
Mighty glad
Canter.
son. Oh,